Hello, myself Rohit Mali. Uh, FireFly is India's leading manufacturer of firefighting pump, and we are in this industry since last 50 years. It's in the last 50 years we are like pioneer in the Indian market. In 2000, we actually entered the market with the fire pumps segment. Now we are exporting to around 40 to 45 countries around the globe. So in 2017, we actually implemented SAP when GST came for the first time. But it was not as an integrated SAP as such. We were only using finance and procurement. Okay, production, quality, costing, that was not integrated at that time. It was just the need of GST. That's why we implemented SAP. Since last 5 years we are using SAP, but it is just like using a tally. It's not SAP as such. Then since last couple of years we actually wanted to use the SAP in the exact way, and we were searching for a good partner since then. But in the market here we couldn't find such partner. But with the Zyple actually we find that partner, and you guys actually came here and you guys show us what SAP can do. And it's actually wonderful software. It's been really good actually. It's been a 4-month long project, but each and every day was worth it because your team came here, they stayed here for the last 4 months, and they interacted with each and every user of SAP in the FireFly. They also observed the manufacturing process overall and what goes wrong and what goes right in the system. Then we corrected the actual physical system as well and re-implemented the same in SAP. So this is like first kind of experience when a IT person actually comes here, stays here for the 4 months and actually understand the process and then implements the same in the software. This was really good. So it's been last like few months like we are using SAP now. Previous SAP we were only doing the data entry. Actually the main aspect of SAP is getting the final and the high level reports from the system. So we are not getting the report from the previous system. The major impact that we have right now, every day, every evening we get the reports from the system, and which are absolutely well organized and with the correct data. At the same time with the SAP HANA, now we have the dashboards as well. So we can see the data upfront whenever we log in the system. So this actually went really well. So we explained Zyple that what the manufacturing process is here, and we understood from the Zyple that which are the add-ons that are required for the FireFly to actually integrate each and every aspect of the business. So during this process, we, along with the finance, procurement and the standard functions of SAP, now we have add-ons like quality, then entire production, where each and every stage of the production is mapped with the costing. Then we have quality as well, then we have costing. So each and every operation that happens physically in the system, in the FireFly system, is now in the SAP version. This was again very interesting actually because people were actually frustrated with the system in the last couple of years. Though we were using SAP, but the non-finance guys actually they were frustrated because it was non-integrated SAP. And when we first explained that now we are again going to re-implement SAP into a better version, there was definitely a reluctance from the team. But when we sat down with Zyple and your guys explained what SAP can do and you are not doing it in the system, you guys came here, you actually showed us in the system the actual reports, how system works internally, and many of the functions were there like our team, they were not using it previously. So after that we get the confidence from the team, and now the team is really happy that we are now 100% live with the integrated SAP HANA version. The strength definitely of each and every company lies with their team. Okay, only single person cannot do everything. So it's like a teamwork, and I really believe that Zyple has developed such a good team. And each and every person who comes here for the implementation physically, they know each and every aspect. And one good thing that we observed from Zyple team, whenever a user sends any request, there is never a no from the Zyple team. Okay, previously we used to face this problem that this might not happen, we need to try. The only answer that we got from Zyple that it can definitely happen, just give us some time, and it actually happened over the period of time. Thank you for that.